Okay, so I'm going to do an oil change on the Polo Vivo today, which is April 26th. Of 2021. The mileage is 81,836, and the last service was done 17th of December 2019 at about almost 73,000 kilometers. So it's been about 9,000 kilometers or so, and I was due on the December of 2020 at 90,000. Of course, I'm nowhere near 90,000. I'm at 81. With the lockdown, I haven't been using the car that much, so I'm just doing it now. Take a look at the oil. I'm about to dump it out. See if you can see the oil is actually not looking too dark. Not looking too bad. Yeah, but it's good to change it. I'll be changing it with this oil here with a good filter. Castrol. So just to show, I won't be putting it in on this video, but so it's unopened. It's being opened fresh. And we'll be opening this for the oil change today. Okay, so, and that's 5. This is full synthetic, fully synthetic, which is better than anything better than what they do with the Volkswagen dealership. They do a mix. So I'll just show us pouring out the old here. And there we go. So I'm going to stop the video here. I'll let the oil keep pouring out. And I'll probably show another video of me putting the oil in.